Hello, everyone. What do you say when something goes wrong at a cafe? Let's learn some simple English sentences you can use in real life. Waiting problems. The line is too long. The line is too long. Excuse me, I am next in line. Excuse me, I am next in line.
Please don't cut in line. Please don't cut in line.
Excuse me, my order is late. Excuse me, my order is late.
I am still waiting, can you check it please? I am still waiting, can you check it please?
Why is my drink taking so long? Why is my drink taking so long? Is it ready yet? Is it ready yet? Thank you for checking. Thank you for checking. Wrong order.
Excuse me, this is the wrong order. Excuse me, this is the wrong order.
I didn't order this drink. I didn't order this drink. I ordered a hot latte, not an iced Americano. I ordered a hot latte, not an iced Americano. Could you please double-check my order? Could you please double-check my order? Can I get the correct drink, please? Can I get the correct drink, please? Drink problems. Excuse me, my coffee is too bitter. Can you make it less strong? This tea is too sweet. Can you make another one, please? Excuse me, my coffee is cold. Can you reheat it, please? There is too much ice. Can you remove some ice, please? There is no sugar. Can I get some sugar, please? Cleanliness problems. Oh no, I spilled my coffee. Can I get some napkins, please? Excuse me, the table is dirty. Can you clean it, please? Excuse me, this cup is not clean. Can I get another one, please?
I'm so sorry.
Can I have another straw, please? Seats and Wi-Fi problems. Excuse me, is this seat taken? No, it's free. Can I move to that table, please? Can I move to that table, please? The Wi-Fi is not working. Can you fix it, please? The music is too loud. Can you turn it down, please? It is very hot in here. Can you check the air conditioner? Is there a charging port here? Yes, right over there. Payment problems. Excuse me, there is a mistake on the bill. Could you check the bill again, please? Can I pay by card? Can I get the receipt, please? Thank you very much. Thank you for your help. Great job. Now you know many useful English sentences for cafe problems. Keep practicing and use them in real life. See you in the next video.